Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our episode number 96 for SRH University, Engineering and Sustainable Technology Management, Industry 4.0. So this will be our 96th requirement analysis video that we're going to do today. In the previous video, we also did the requirement analysis 95 episode number. That would be for RWTH Aachen University. And if you have not checked out that, please go and check out. There we did the power engineering thingy. And today, as I told, we will be doing SRH University. And when we started this episode of this playlist, it started from 58, 60. Now it grew up to 109 colleges. So in this 109, we covered 95, and today it will be 96. And there will be around 14 more colleges. That's it. After that, we will be done with all requirement analysis videos. Then we will focus on application videos. Then we can also focus on civil, computer science, or civil and mechanical if you guys need dedicated for them. Then before that, if you're new to this channel and if you're seeing me for the first time, then please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. And also please share this video with the people who are in need so that they can also look into our YouTube channel, understand what we are doing here. At first, we will do the requirement analysis videos. And after that, we get to know which are the colleges, which are the course that we're going to apply, and when is the deadline, where to apply. After getting to know all this, we wait for the deadline to open. Then we use this same application procedure or the link that they have provided, and I will show you how to apply for that particular college. This is what we have been doing in our YouTube videos for a long time now. And about that, if you still need one-on-one session with me and you need me to apply for you, then you can always contact me. Then I can also schedule a one-on-one session and I can also apply for you. And without any delay, we'll get started with today's video where I tell you or talk about requirement analysis of engineering and sustainable technology management in SRH University. Whenever we do the requirement analysis, we just go through the overview, course detail, cost and funding requirements. In the overview, you can just see it is Master of Engineering. Course location is in Berlin. Teaching language is English. Languages, it is completely in English. And it's a paid course. SRH University has so many courses and everything is paid course because it's a paid university. And full-time, part-time, it is only full-time, no part-time possible. And program duration is 4 semesters, both in winter and summer semester you can apply. Additional information on during the mode of study, when is the beginning. So usually winter semester will start in October, summer semester will start in April. This is common in all universities usually. And application deadline for non-EU applicants, please apply by 1st February or August 15th for October intake. Okay, now we have missed the October intake, which is winter semester 2025. We are open for 1st February, which is April intake, which is summer semester. Then I will show you how to apply, how we will use this application link, where to apply, and I will show how to apply. And we also recommend the application to apply early, at least 4 months before the start of your program. So if it is starting in April, what is the 4 months before? So it's like January 1st. So I will check in December or December 15th or January is the for sure opening time. So people who have known about this when it is open, and if they know if it is open, then you can also comment it out. Then I will show you how to apply. And tuition fees, as I told you, it is 5,000 euros, around 5,040 is the exact number at every year you have to pay. And additional information of tuition fees is non-EU tuition fees is 6,950 per semester. This is the exact number. Then EU applicants is 840 euros per month. And please note the monthly semester tuition fee remains the same entire duration of study program. In Heidelberg, it is 6,500 per semester. So they have SRH University in Heidelberg, Berlin, and also in Ham, SRH Ham, and so many other locations. So you can also apply in any of the locations if you want to pursue in private university, and it is paid around 5,500 to 6,000 euros. Course details. And here you can just see the exact courses that you will be doing in each semester. Because it is focusing on Industry 4.0, you will be doing in first semester the mathematical methods of reviewed, electrical engineering and CAD design technology, sustainable technology management 1, sustainable technology management 2, then data analytics, basic programming languages, project labs. After that, in second semester, you will do artificial intelligence, software development applications, project and risk management, sustainable technology management 3, industrial automation, additive manufacturing. Then in third semester, you will do advanced artificial intelligence 2, modeling simulation, digital twin, new industrial technologies, sustainable technology management 4, 5, then digital signal processing and sensors. So in 4th semester you will do majorly your master thesis, and also with that you will do company project internship, research development methods, and cyber security. One subject you will do. So this is how the course is structured, and they have also planned it properly what each semester you will be doing. So if you are a person who will be starting in winter, then you will do first semester in winter. If you're starting a person who will be starting in summer, then the course might change. Say example, this would be your first semester because you will be starting in summer. So it depends on which semester you're gonna start. Then a diploma supplement will be issued at the end of the degree. That is normal. As soon as you finish the degree, you will get a diploma supplement awarded. Certificate with the special modules are awarded. You can also get special module certificates also awarded. International elements, language training program, training in intercultural skills, project with the partner companies in Germany and abroad. Cost and fundings, as we taught already, the tuition fees is 50/40, non-EU student is 6,950, so it varies 6,500. I also don't know the exact number, but usually it will be from 5,000 to 6,500 in between. It can lie anywhere. That is your tuition fees, and there is no semester contribution because you will be paying everything included in this 6,500 euros. Then cost of living, would be usually included. Cost of living would be usually 1,100 to 1,200. That's how the general blocked account average is there. So once you book the blocked account, it will be done for 1 year, and in 1 year your blocked account will be divided into 12 parts, and each month you will get that part. After your 1 year, then you have to show the sufficient amount of money for the visa authorities in order to get your visa extended. Either you can show the money direct which you get from India, or you can also show which part-time job you are working and how much you are earning every month. Then funding opportunity within the university, there are so many SRH official partnership scholarship, and people who want a scholarship, they can also apply, and you can also have a link here and check what are the scholarship, how you can be eligible for it. Then in order to get into this particular university, what are the things that you need to have? You need to have a bachelor degree in engineering. Okay, they are expecting or accepting from wide variety of courses, which is environmental engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, mechatronic engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, etc. Natural sciences, they are accepting bachelor of engineering or engineering degree from natural science, physics, chemistry, all courses of electrical engineering, mechanical, civil, computer science, everything. So if you have any engineering degree, then you are eligible to apply. And secondary school certificate, which is your 10th and PUC. Proof of English language proficiency, you need to have IELTS 6.5 minimum, which is B2, that is your English language proficiency. Then CV, curriculum vitae, and copy of your passport. So if you have all these documents ready, then you can directly apply for this particular course. Then application deadline, as we talked about, 1st February is the April intake, which is summer semester, which we gonna do for next upcoming application, and we have to apply in their online application portal. So they have their own dedicated Engineering online application portal. We can use this and we can apply here again directly. Application period has ended, and the last application can be submitted until the commence date of 7th October. Study commences already in 7th October. Then summer semester 2026 application deadline, and study commences in 1st April. 31st March 2026 is the application deadline. I don't know when it will be starting. Let's see when it starts. When it is starting, then we can also apply for that particular course. After that, when you submit the application, you can wait for the decision to be held. Once you got the admission, then at first you have to do your student visa in order to get into Germany. So with this student visa, you can work 140 full days to 80 half days as of now, and that they have increased like extra 20 hours, I guess. So 20 days or 20 hours like that, and yeah, you will get that. Then with that student visa and this particular hours, you can also work as work student, HEV, research assistant, and any technical related jobs. If that nothing happens for you, then you can also work as a part-time in any of the restaurants or any of the non-technical jobs under IKEA or any of the things. But you have to do some of the work, because in order to show visa authorities that you're gaining money and you're eligible to take care of yourself with your working, then you need to show some assets. That's the reason I suggest you guys to please look after you. And at first year it's fine because you will have your blocked account anyway, but second year they will also have again ask for some amount of money. So I suggest you guys to look for anything. Then accommodation, we don't have own student dormitory hostels. However, we provide assistance to accommodation as soon as you arrive. But yeah, I suggest you guys to please search beforehand, because it takes so much of time in order to search accommodation in Berlin, in bigger cities especially. There will be have a dedicated careers advisory services where they will help you with the CV, application, where to apply, what are the jobs that you can apply as a work student or as a part-time, full-time, everything that would be there. And as soon as you start, you will have your body program, welcome event, special counseling and other things. But yeah, these are the things I just wanted to mention you guys in our 96th application video for SRH University for the course Engineering and Sustainability Technology Management. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to apply for this particular course, when the application it starts, then I will also make application video, then you can also look into it and apply for yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.